How to apply for SBI credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for an SBI bank credit card. For that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type sbicard.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button, and now you will be taken to the official website of SBI bank credit card. And once you reach to this page, here at the top you will find credit cards option. When you click on this credit cards, some menu will appear below. Click on this apply now button right here. Once you do so, you will be presented with this screen. Here you need to scroll down, and there you will find various cards that are available in SBI bank. From here you can browse through these options and select the one that best fits your need. Once you find the one that you would like to apply for, go ahead and click on this apply now button at the bottom. And after then you will be presented with a new screen where you can see this start apply journey button. Here it says you need your PAN number, your photograph, Aadhaar number and bank account details. Click on this start apply journey button right here to apply. Now you need to fill out this application form. There are 3 steps. First of all, you need to enter your personal details like your name, mobile number, city, PAN and your date of birth. After that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number and prompt to enter it in the respected field. Once you have done that, you will be prompted to enter your professional details like your profession, designation, company name, and after that you will need to enter your KYC details like your address, PIN code and similar. Now click on this personal details button, and in this field enter your first name, middle name if you have one, and then the last name. After that, enter your mobile number. And once you have entered all these details, click on this little square right here to state that you have read the terms and conditions. You can also click on this terms and conditions link and view the terms and conditions of SBI bank credit card. Now click on this little square and then click on continue. Once doing that, you will be presented with a new screen where you will need to enter the one-time password sent to your mobile number. Once you get that code, enter it in this box and then click on confirm OTP. And once confirmed, you will be asked to enter your professional details as well as your KYC details. After entering all the details, you can submit the form, and after that, if your application is approved, you will receive your SBI credit card by mail. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for SBI bank credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.